Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 14.3 or iOS 14.4 Beta 1 update stuck on term and condition on iPhone and iPad. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. We start from basic. The first and basic method is that we have to check and make sure that we have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. If you are using cellular or mobile data, then switch it to Wi-Fi. The second thing that we have to do, we have to make sure that the iPhone has been charged up to 50% and the low power mode is disabled. The third thing that we have to check, launch settings, tap general, tap iPhone storage, and we have to make sure that we have enough free space. If we don't have, then we have to offload some apps or delete apps that are not in use. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions. Solution number 1. Launch settings, tap general, and tap language and region. Now tap on region and select your current location. Solution number 2. Reset network settings. Launch settings, general, reset, and tap reset network settings. iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Solution number 3. Force restart your iPhone. Press home button and the power button at the same time until we see Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Solution number 4. Sign out of iCloud and sign in back. Launch settings, tap on your profile name, then tap sign out, follow instruction, wait for a couple of minutes and sign in back. Solution number 5. Enable and disable airplane mode. Launch settings or open control center. Enable airplane mode. Now lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes. After that, unlock your iPhone and disable airplane mode. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.